Meow.
Getting back on a Harley after riding an Indian.
I wonder how comfortable my seat's going to be after that.
I'm pretty comfy. My Roland Sands Boss 2-Up that everybody asks about. Ooh, that's loud.
That's what I was going to say. Compared to the bikes we've been riding today, our shit's going to sound so loud.
Yeah. Oh my god. The rider position on this thing is so much more comfortable than that Scout, though.
For you? Oh, yeah, for the Scout? Yeah. I get you.
The Scout versus the lowrider? Yeah, man.
This is weird.
Right?
Oh, no, wait, hold up. Okay, I gotta fix something.
What'd you do?
Everything was weird. So on the Chieftain, it was easy because the handles were down here and my sleeves didn't bunch up, but now it's better. Also, I keep reaching for pedals out here.
Yeah, forward controls.
Okay.
Beep.
Is that you?
Yep.
Oh.
I was saying bye. I was giving a beep bye.
This bike is a lot harder.
What do you mean?
Like, the pegs aren't made of, like, isolated rubber. The engine vibrates.
Yeah, you're going from, like, a freaking touring to, like, a Dyna.
Yeah, Jason was just interviewing me about that bike, and I was just like, yeah, man, it's definitely a look at what, like, a luxurious look at what motorcycling could be.
Yeah, you went from, like, riding a lazy boy back to, like, you know, riding a machine.
They vibrate a lot.
Dude, that Scout was a lot faster than I thought it would be.
That fucking Scout. That Scout got it. Like, you just...
Dude, I'm telling you,
the shit out of me.
You guys, I didn't even take off hard. Like, you guys were like, like, I was already shifted into second gear by the time I was like, oh, they're racing. And then I was like, all right, so I've hit throttle back, and then it was just like, catch up, zoom, and I'm like, damn, Scout.
Yeah, if we had this experience, which there's obviously no way we could have had this experience prior to buying an Iron 883, I think probably both of us would have ended up with a Scout.
Yeah, but you're not near in the same price range.
Really?
Dude, Indian Scouts are like, what, 12,000, 13,000 or something?
Oh, wow.
They're much more expensive. Like, wanted one, you know, before looking into a Sportster, and that's why, like, she originally saw an Indian, like the Scout, and she was like, oh, I love that bike, and she found this one in, like, this forest green color, and she really loved it. And then she looked at the price tag, and I was like, yeah, I'm like, Sportsters are like half that price. Like, you can find used Sportsters for half the price of what she was looking at.
Yeehaw!
Time is it? 6 o'clock? Damn, already? That was a full day of motorcycling.
So I cut the thumb and middle finger and index finger off of these things.
Saw that.
It helps.
Yeah, with your phone and shit.
Yeah.
Yep. Phones don't tend to like gloves.
I know, it's really weird being back on something that goes and it's definitely weird. Like, the floorboards are the hardest thing for me to get used to.
Yeah, but after a while you're just like, man, this is comfortable. You're not like balancing you're not like just putting your feet on pegs, you know, they're just like kind of resting there.
Yeah, I kicked the peg at first, and I was like, oh shit, did I kick the floorboard off? Oh, there is no floorboard.
Yeah.
You know, I originally, on that Sportster that I had Thrash and Supply mini floorboards on there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I did not like them. Because of the way that they were set up on, like, the mid-control thing. You know how your pegs kind of come up diagonally?
Yeah.
They wouldn't come up right, so they'd come up, like, at an angle, and they would scratch the shit out of your paint job, and it sucked. And also, there was no isolation, so it was just a big vibrating platform.
Oh, alright.
So your feet would just vibrate right off the side. Was not a fan. You know, the entire time I was on that bagger, I didn't use the cruise control once. I completely forgot it was there.
Yeah, I didn't use it either.
Guess we weren't really in a situation that required it.
Yeah, it was a lot of, you know, especially being behind cars and shit.
Yeah. Okay, also, I need to take another second. Sugarloaf. Wow. That was cool.
Oh, dude, had you never done that before?
No, I kept telling people I wanted to go do that shit. And everybody kept being like, yeah, Sugarloaf sometime. And then it just kind of like never really got talked about again.
Huh. For Central Florida, man, it's like a good ass ride. I mean, it's probably one of the better rides for Central Florida. Jason posted up a thing on Instagram a while back, and he was like, you know, post some really great rides or something like that. And I said Sugarloaf, and he responded, a majority of people are gonna have no idea what you're talking about. And I was like, but you know, people at Central Floridians will. Yeah, like that's like the closest we get to carving canyons.
True that.
Somebody posted the other day, like in a, I did that how to ride motorcycles, like city riding tips video, and they're like, can you do a canyon riding tips video? I'm like, where? Where the fuck am I gonna do canyon? The closest thing that we have to a canyon is like a ditch somewhere.
Ditch on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Avoid greatly.
Yeah, avoid ditches.
I was gonna say avoid ditches and bitches and witches.
It's very fitting for this time of year.
Also itches. Avoid those.
Yep. And snitches. All these itches things you should avoid.
Yeah, also snitches. Exactly. By the weather, it seems like it's almost time for leather jackets.
Yeah, this is gonna last for like a day or two.
Shut the God. Killing me.
That's what the guy said, not me.
Just want to live in a world where I can wear leather jackets all year round.
Just want to live in a world that it's this temperature all year round.
Yeah, I know, right? This is gorgeous.
You know what that's called?
What?
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Hawaii is like this year round.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it would be hot because it's like a volcanic island.
Yeah, but you've got a constant breeze. Like there's a constant sea breeze. I guess like if you're in lava, yeah, it would be hot, but no, man, Hawaii is like the perfect. Hawaii is like the perfect like temp. 70, let's say between like 70 and 80 year round. You sleep with windows open, dude. Like we were there for like a week. It was nice, my family and I. Speaking of family, look at the family stickers on the back of this car. What happened?
They look like they got Thanos snapped.
Dang.
Oh, no. Groot. No.
Get it? Because they look like dust.
Yeah. I got Thanos.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I know that it's just me and shit, or maybe you too, but the trailer for Avengers 4 is supposed to come out at like some point this month.
Oh, nice.
And I'm just sitting here like, come on. So I read the description of the leaked, like they came out with a leaked description of the trailer, and if it is anything like what they are talking about, the trailer is going to be amazing.
This guy is mad mugging me in that mirror.
He doesn't like you.
Oh, he's checking out the bike.
Never won a drag race before, so I mean, up until you and your bobber just shot past me, I was winning.
I don't understand how that thing won, dude. Like that's a 111.
I don't either. It was what?
The Chieftain. That's a 111 cubic inch engine.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, to be fair, I wasn't pushing it to the wall.
Oh, okay.
But because like it's not my bike, and I'm not trying to blow up an engine on a bike that doesn't belong to me.
No, it's got a bunch of mileage on it though, didn't it?
It's got 500 miles.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much broken in.
I don't know, and I wasn't trying to, you know, have something dumb happen to me going like way too fucking fast.
Yeah.
So, to be fair, I was chicken shitting it and still beating him, and then you just shot the by me. I'm like, huh?
Yeah. You were chicken shitting it, still beating him, and I'm just like, oh, we're racing?
Quell surprise. Oh, kitty cat! Oh my god, it's a kitty cat!
That's a little
Get in my
baby
saddlebag.
No, you don't need another cat.
I need all of the cats.
You are a crazy cat lady.
I know. I'm gonna ask if she'll just take my black cat when I'm...
No. It's the quickest way to end our friendship.
I'm just kidding, dude.
Sorry.
Oh, God.
Sorry. Is this guy practicing?
I was gonna say there's nobody else here. Hey, look, it's Gazelle. I'm not saying it like Gazelle. I'm just pronouncing things weird. It's pronouncing things incorrectly.
Jazili.
Oh, is he just trying to burn out his last tire?
Maybe. See, I want to build a dyno to do that shit. Because I'm scared. I don't want to drop that.
Eventually.
Thought it! You make rub.
This
Hey,
bike
where am I on
produces many blub blobs.
Look at Millie blub 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 blub. Dude, hey, great f***ing ride days today.
I was just about to say the same thing, man. Yeah, awesome. Thanks for joining, bro.
Yo, dude, absolutely.
Sure was a lot of fun.
Yeah, man, I'll see you later.
Hey, man.
Bye-bye. Ride safe, stay vigilant.
Sleep vigilant.
Oh, I will. Oh, God.
Later, man.